Hi, welcome to Novice Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the turning points of a curve under the application of differentiation. Now, turning point occurs on the curve at the point where the y dx is equal to 0. So let me write it. Turning points occurs on the curve where the y over the x is equal to 0. So at the point where the y dx equals 0, turning point occurs at that point. Now let's pick the first example. Example 1. Determine the turning points of the curve y equal to x is power 4 over 2 plus 5 x is power 3 over 3 minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Alright, so we have this curve, this function, and then we are asked to find or to determine the turning point of the curve. Alright, so the first thing we need to do, we need to differentiate the function for us to determine the y, the x. So when y is equal to x raised to 4 over 2 plus 5x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. So we are going to find the y over the x. So differentiate x raised to 4 divided by 2. We have 4x raised to 3 divided by 2. Differentiate 5x raised to 3 divided by 3. We have 15x squared divided by 3. Differentiate minus 2x squared. We have minus 4x. And then differentiate minus 3x. We have minus 3. Alright, let's simplify. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 3 here 1, 3 here 5. So we have dy over dx is equal to 2x raised to the power of 3 plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 3. So this is the derivative of the function given. Now we say that turning point occurs on the curve where the y dx is equal to 0. So we are going to equate the y dx to 0 to find or to determine the points or the turning point. So we now say 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we are going to factorize what we have on the left hand side. Alright, to do that, we are going to start by testing. Let's test with x equal to 1. Now when you insert 1 in place of x, here you have 2 plus 5, which is 7, 7 minus 4, which is 3, 3 minus 3, that is 0. So x minus 1 is the root of the expression or the cubic equation. So x minus 1 is a factor. So we go further to divide the cubic expression or equation by the factor. So we are going to use the long division method. Using long division method. Okay, so that will be, we have x minus 1 here, and then we have 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 3. Alright, we are going to divide this by this. So this is called the divisor, while this is called the dividend. The dividend and the divisor. So we seek to get the quotients. The quotient. Okay, now let's start. 2x cubed divided by x will definitely give us 2x squared. 2x squared multiplied by x will have 2x cubed. 2x squared multiplied by minus 1 we have minus 2x squared. So we subtract. This minus this is 0. 5x squared minus 2x. Minus minus is plus. So we have 7x squared. Bring down minus 4x and bring down minus 3. So we go further to repeat the process again. To repeat the process, we have 7x squared divided by x, and that will give us plus 7x. 7x multiplied by x is 7x squared. 7x multiplied by minus 1, we have minus 7x. We subtract. 7x minus 7x is 0. Minus 4x minus 7x, which is minus minus is plus. So we have 7x minus 4, which is 3x. And bring down minus 3. Then we repeat the process again. We have 3x divided by x, and that will be what? 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. So when you subtract, definitely you have 3x minus 3x is 0, minus 3 minus minus 3 is 0. So the quotient is 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 is the quotient. So therefore we have 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0 to be x minus 1, and then we write the quotient 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we have quadratic equation as a factor, then we need to solve the quadratic expression using factorization method. So let's proceed. We have x minus 1. Let's factorize. Now we have 2x squared plus x plus 6x plus 3. So when you factorize the quadratic expression here, you will definitely have this, then equal to 0. So we move further, x minus 1, and picking the first two terms and choosing out what is common, and that is what? X into 2x plus 1. And then the same thing here, 3 is common, we pick out 3, and then we write 2x plus 1. So cover the bracket equal to 0. So here we have x minus 1. Pick out what is common here, and that is 2x plus 1. And then what we have outside the bracket is x plus 3 equal to 0. So these are the factors, or the linear factors of the cubic equation. So we are going to equate each of them to 0 to get the roots of the quadratic or the cubic equation, which is the derivative of the curve. Now we have x minus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, and x plus 3 equal to 0. Make x the subject here. X is equal to 1. And then the other place, make x the subject here. We have x, which is equal to minus 1 over 2. And then the next one, x is equal to minus 3. So these are the points, the turning points. Right, therefore, The turning points are x equal to 1 or -1/2 or -3. So these are the turning points. In the next video, I'm going to explain the nature of the turning point. In the next video, I'm going to explain which of these points is a maximum point, a minimum point, or a point of inflation. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.